here. Today I want to show you one quick tips. And also a quick tip is that how to write multiple choice question in an English language. For example, like too many people they are writing, for example, like this one. This is a little bit hard and difficult. So the person is writing like this one, then he press the space bar like this one, and again there is B and B again. So no, don't consume your time. This is consuming all the time. So just I want to show you easy way. So first come here and click on Insert tab and go to the table. In the table, just you have to select on it 4. It means you wanna make 4, or multiple choice question. It means 4 question. It means a question which has 4 options. Here, when you have done this one, it means when you have made a table, just write down here. Like for example, like I wanna write something like this one. And also like for example like this one, and also C option and D option. When you have done this one, then you have to click on this one. It means select this one and go to the home. In the home you should select this one, and so accept it. It means click on no bother. And after this you should go to the file, then you have to go to the option and proofing, then auto correct option. Do you know here we have already that? Just here I want to give a name, like for example Noor. It means when I have written the Noor, so there should be these all. It means these multiple choice question, add and then okay. When you have done this one, okay, so right now I wanna make more other, like for example here Noor. Do you know about this line? You can drop this line, but do you know it is not printable? You can click on this one, no problem. But if you have that, so again it is like not printable. Again Noor, so we can say like for example question number 1, question number 2. In here you can write the options for every question.